Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the stereo. So you start from here, remove this plastic, then another one here. Then you pull from here for the clear stick. You have the screws on the side, one here and one here. Then you start pulling from here. With a 7mm socket, you remove the 4 screws from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you pull the radio from here. You have several clips here on the back. There are the plugs. Here you have 2 more screws. And then you pull the stereo. Here you have the main plug. You have to pull it from here. Here's the antenna. So this is pretty much how you take the old stereo.